Hi there, Mr. G again. Uh, so I want to talk to you a little bit about the concept of inquiry and why it's so important for your learning process. Um, in my classes, inquiry has to do with an attitude that you have, and that is expressed in you being able to take a question that I gave you, or you yourself making questions that you can do research on. You're expected to use online sources, print sources, interviews, whatever form that you can get your hands on to find possible evidence that can support an answer to the question that you're trying to do research on. So inquiring is basically doing research. You can do research with primary sources, secondary sources, uh, it's also necessary for the inquiry approach that you always keep keep a record of your sources, so that you can later show them. That's expected, particularly in any of the official formatting guidelines, whether it's the Modern Languages Association, which is MLA, or whether that be APA, the American Psychiatric Association. So the spirit, the attitude, the value that's behind inquiring has to do with being an independent thinker, a critical thinker, a creative thinker, in finding your own answers and not just blindly accepting whatever answers a teacher might provide for you. So, in that sense, I see myself as somebody who walks beside you, trying to guide you in understanding a question and of course using logical analysis and reasoning to criticize those answers, test them against evidence to make sure that we are finding reliable approaches that can also be used as guidelines. Um, so, hoping that you'll be able to uh, grab the spirit of inquiry, I'm signing off.